Here at Susquehanna, my professors and my advisors are really great.
My professors have been able to coordinate with me to make sure that it's not an issue and that I'll be able to graduate on time.
I have an advisor for each of my majors. I have advisors for my clubs. I have my coaches.
Learning isn't simply within the classroom alone, but it's a mix of mixing classroom theory and actual practical experience.
So we really pride ourselves in the hands-on experience of Susquehanna.
I know that I've been well prepared here from the hands-on learning that we do.
I could double major and study abroad, and I can be a part of clubs and activities.
We have our GO program, which is our global opportunities, and I got to spend an entire semester in London.
The fact that you can do a go long, a go short, or a go your own way is definitely something that I enjoyed and couldn't get anywhere else. Here at Susquehanna, every student has to do a capstone relating to their major.
For our students today in the 21st century, it's both a testament to what they've learned, but also a way to apply what they've learned to what they're going to do after Susquehanna.